Good evening, friends. Our today's topic is noun numbers. Numbers tell about one or more than one. Numbers can be divided into two parts: singular number, plural number. This topic looks very easy, but when the questions come in exam, we get baffled. So, I hope today's topic will help you to clear the confusion how to change singular into plural. Singular number tells only about one, like girl, pen, table, etc. Plural tells about more than one, can be two, three, four, five, six, whatever. For example, girl becomes girls, pen, pens, table, tables. Okay, how to change the singular nouns into plural one? First of all, first rule is simply add s. Few words are there at the end of those words. When we add s, those are counted as plural. Like shirt, if we want to make it plural, we just simply add here s and it will become plural. Shirts. Flat, flats. Chair, chairs. Friend, friends. Okay. Some words are there. At the end of those words, es is added, but you will have to know which words need es to be added at the end of those words. For example, if the noun ends with o, that means if o comes at the last of the word, s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, if these letters come at the end of the word, we add es to make them plural. Like box, x came here, box become es, boxes. Match becomes matches. Glass become glasses. Bus becomes buses. Quiz become quizzes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Okay, after that, if the word, some words are there in which we add ies. Where to add ies? If the word ends with y, then we remove y from there and add ies. But one condition is there: before y there should be a consonant letter. Consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, any letter before y. For example, baby. Y is ending word is y, and before y there is a consonant, that is b. Lady, end word is y, before y it is consonant. Duty, y, before y it is consonant. Lily, it's y here and before y it is l here, that is consonant. Now we have to remove y and we have to add ies. Baby become babies, lady become ladies, duty becomes duties, lily becomes lilies. Many words are there. City becomes cities, story becomes stories. There is an exception. If vowel comes before y, the end word is vowel, y, but before y it comes vowel. Simply add s to make it plural. Like monkey. Monkey becomes monkeys. Donkey becomes donkeys. Key becomes keys. Day become days. These are the plural of these words. Next rule is, if the word ends with ch, but pronunciation of ch is ka, add s to make plural. Before we have learned that if the word ends with ch, we add es here to make it plural. But if ch comes at the end and the pronunciation of ch is ka, we have to add s to make it plural. For example, monarch. We don't read it monarch. Monarch. Stomach. We have to add simply s here to make it plural. Monarchs. Stomachs. There is also an exception. Few words ends with o, but only s is added to make them plural. In this rule we have learned that if the letter o comes at the end, we have to add es to make them plural. But there is a rule: if consonant comes before o, es is added. But there are some words in which we don't need to add es, simply add s. Photos, kilos, pianos, solos, radios. Only add simply s. Kilos, pianos, solos, radios, ratios, curios, etc. Some words are there which, if they end with f or fe, we remove f or fe and add ves to make them plural. Like wife, fe is coming, remove fe, add ves, it becomes wives. Remove f, add ves, it becomes calves. Remove f, add ves, it becomes halves. Thief, remove f, add ves, it becomes thieves. Some words ending with f or double f but takes only s to make them plural. Like cliff becomes cliffs. Cliffs means chattan. Dwarf, dwarf become dwarfs. Hoof, hoof become hoofs. Proof, proof become proofs. Chief, chief becomes chiefs. Belief, belief becomes beliefs. There is a word hoof. In this we can write hoofs also. Both are correct. Hoofs is also correct. Hoofs is also correct. Okay. Some words are there. In those words, only vowel words, letters are changed to make them plural. Like food. Food becomes feet. Goose becomes geese. Louse become lice. Man becomes men. In the same way, woman become women. Tooth becomes teeth. These are the plural of these words. Vowel words, letters are changed. Few words are there. At the end of those words, en or ren is added. Like ox becomes oxen, child become children, brother become brethren. One more rule is there. If the compound noun is there, compound noun is the group of nouns, noun words. If the compound noun is there, add s to the main word of the compound nouns. Like son-in-law. In this, son is the main word, so write here sons-in-law. Stepmother. In this, mother is the main word, add s at the end of mother. Stepmothers. Coat of mail. Add, coat is the main word, add s to coats. Coats of mail. Pickpocket. Pocket is the main word, add s here, pickpockets. Some words are there in compound noun in which s is added to the last word to make it plural. It doesn't matter what is the main word, but you have to add s at the last word. Like lookout become lookouts. Pick me up, pick me ups. Touch me nots. Forget me not, forget me nots. Next, few words are there in which s is added at the tail term, end word. Spoonful becomes spoonfuls, handful, handfuls, mouthful, mouthfuls, glass full, glassfuls. Okay, this is the topic today. I hope you all have understood how to change singular nouns into plural one. I'll post one list of foreign words. In those foreign words, the word itself change completely to make them plural. Then you will have to learn those words so that you can remember how to make them plural. I hope you have understood the concept clearly. If any doubt, you can comment. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.